The BV-141 was a single-engine, three-crew aircraft that was designed to perform tactical reconnaissance and light bombing missions for the German Luftwaffe. It was notable for its uncommon structural asymmetry, which placed the crew gondola on the right side of the aircraft, while the engine and the fuselage were on the left side. This unconventional design was intended to provide better visibility and stability for the crew, as well as to reduce drag and weight. The BV-141 made its first flight on February 25, 1938. The BV-141 underwent several modifications and improvements during its development, resulting in different variants such as the A, B, and C series. The most noticeable change was the asymmetrical tailplane, which was introduced in the B series to improve the rear gunner's field of view and fire. The BV-141 also had a retractable landing gear, a variable pitch propeller, and a defensive armament of 2 or 3 machine gun. The aircraft could carry up to 500 kilograms of bombs or smoke canister under its wing. The BV-141 was powered by a single BMW 801A air-cooled radial piston engine, producing 1,538 horsepower. It reached a maximum speed of 229 miles per hour at sea level and 272 miles per hour at 16,404 feet. With a range of 1,200 miles and a service ceiling of 33,000 feet. The BV-141 proved to be a reliable and versatile aircraft, with excellent maneuverability, low stall speed, and long range. It also had a low vulnerability to enemy fire, as the engine and the fuel tanks were well protected by the fuselage. The aircraft was tested and evaluated by several Luftwaffe units and received positive feedback from the pilots and the crews. However, the BV-141 never entered full-scale production or service for several reasons. One of the main reasons was the unavailability of the preferred engine, the BMW 801, which was in high demand for the FW-190 fighter aircraft. Another reason was the competition from the FW-189, which was also a twin-boom reconnaissance aircraft, but with a more conventional design and better performance. The FW-189 was chosen by the German Air Ministry as the standard reconnaissance aircraft. The BV-141 also faced some technical and operational challenges, such as the difficulty of maintenance, the complexity of the landing gear, and the vulnerability of the crew gondola to ground fire. The aircraft also had a limited payload and armament and was not suitable for combat missions. The BV-141 was also considered to be too unconventional and radical for the conservative Luftwaffe, which preferred more familiar and proven designs. Only about 28 BV-141 aircraft were built, and most of them were used for testing and training purposes. Some of them were also used for operational mission, such as reconnaissance. However, none of them saw any significant action or achieved any notable result. Most of the BV-141 aircraft were destroyed or captured by the advancing Allied forces, and only one survived. It was captured by the British and sent to England for examination, but it was later scrapped.